Very good afternoon to all of you. Friends, I formally welcome you in this prestigious college. Let me begin my discussion with a very famous quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji. He said, if you want to shine like a sun, first you need to burn yourself. What happens in our life, everyone wants to shine like a sun, but we are not able to devote that much of efforts which are required. So everyone wants knowledge, intellect, wealth and fame, but to achieve all these, you need to put your efforts. So how you can get all those? There is a very famous Sanskrit couplet, अभ्यासानुसारिणी विद्या, बुद्धि कर्मानुसारिणी, सत्यानुसारिणी श्रिया, कीर्ति त्यागानुसारिणी. So if you want to achieve these four things, what you need to do? For knowledge, the knowledge follows abhyasanusarini vidya. So knowledge follows the work, the practice. Buddhi karmanusarini. So if you want to earn intellect, your deeds will decide your intellect. And satyanusarini shriya. If you want to achieve wealth in your life, that means it will come only by truthfulness. And kirti tyaganusarini. If you want to achieve fame in your life, that means you need to be ready to sacrifice in your life. Always tell to my students that these 3 years are the golden years in your life. Golden years in the sense, life is just like a blank paper. Whatever you can write, your life will give you. If you want to write IAS officer or the engineer or manager, successful entrepreneur or whatever, it is upon you, whatever you want to write. There is a very famous quote of Swami Vivekananda, purity, patience and perseverance are 3 essentials to success, and above all love. So purity, patience and perseverance. 2 things are very important for students. One is purity and second is perseverance and discipline. If you study any successful person, highly successful person, then you will find 2 attributes in his life. One is discipline and second is perseverance. So you need to inculcate these in your daily routine life. Only the hard work will pay you whatever you want in your life. Some people say smart work is there, but hard work with smartness. So I want to share one very, very small poem of Dinkar ji. Dinkar is my favorite poet. It is, ब्रह्मा से कुछ लिखा भाग्य में, मनुष्य नहीं लाया है, अपना सुख अपने ही भुजबल से पाया है, प्रकृति नहीं डरकर झुकती, कभी भाग्य के बल से, सदा हारती वह मनुष्य के उद्यम से, श्रम से. So the only key to success is the hard work. And in your life, if anyone meets you and he tries to let you down, then just say to him, अभी खामोशी है. अभी means those 2 years, 3 years or 4 years. अभी खामोशी है, कल शोर आएगा. तुम्हारा वक्त आया है, हमारा दौर आएगा. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir, for gracing our stage with your